Chrisley attorney gives update. Todd and Julie have new hope. Todd and Julie, Chrisley's attorney, gives an update on the incarcerated couple, but do they have renewed hope? They have been behind bars since January 2023, and it has not been easy. Their daughter, Savannah Chrisley, has been a huge advocate for prison reform and their release. So what update, if any, can their lawyer share? Keep reading for more details. Todd and Julie Chrisley have new hope. It was impossible for Todd and Julie Chrisley to think they would have to serve their respective prison sentences. She was sentenced to 7 years, whereas he was sentenced to 12 years. To make it even worse, not just for the couple but for their kids, is that their prisons were 10 hours apart. That made visiting consistently a struggle, but Savannah made it clear her parents did not have it easy. If anything, they had it far worse than the other inmates. She maintained her father was treated horribly and would read Julie's heartbreaking prison letters. However, fans and followers had to remind Savannah that this was jail and not a 5-star hotel. They have also tried to remind Savannah how lucky she is that she still has her parents and that they are alive. She acts as if they are deceased, but she is more fortunate than many, and that has been told to her many times. Yet she will stop at nothing to free them. Julie had a resentencing which went wrong as she was given additional probation time, but now the couple's attorney, Jay Sargent, has renewed faith. According to NBC News, Jay Sargent shared that Todd and Julie Chrisley are seeking pardons from President Trump. Some may recall that Savannah heavily campaigned for him and even spoke at the Republican National Convention. Many believed that she did so to get her parents pardoned when the time came, and Sargent reaffirmed that. The pardon states that their constitutional rights were violated by searching the warehouse sans a warrant, for starters. How long will they wait? So how long will it take for the pardon request to go ahead? According to Jay Sargent, it will be filed with the president's legal counsel in about 2 to 4 months. This could change everything for Todd and Julie Chrisley, who are desperate to get out. Currently, Todd is in the process of being moved to another facility as his is being shut down. Savannah shared she is unsure where he will land, but she hopes it will be safer and close. Now, fans have long known that she wanted President Trump to pardon her parents and have not been silent about it. Someone wants a pardon for her parents. If you want him elected just so he can pardon your parents, just say that. Working hard for those pardons. The Chrisley family's legal battle has been the center of media attention for months. With Todd and Julie Chrisley facing conviction for federal tax evasion and fraud, the couple's fans and critics alike have been waiting for an update on their status. Recent statements from the Chrisley's attorney have reignited a glimmer of hope for the embattled couple, fueling speculation about a potential reversal or new development that could change their fate. The couple, who gained fame for their reality show Chrisley Knows Best, have always projected an image of confidence and resilience, but behind the scenes, they've been working tirelessly to challenge their convictions and prove their innocence. Todd and Julie Chrisley's legal saga began in 2019 when they were indicted on charges of conspiracy to commit bank fraud, wire fraud, and tax evasion. The couple was accused of falsifying documents to obtain loans and evading taxes, leading to a conviction in 2022. They were sentenced to serve time in federal prison, with Todd receiving a 12-year sentence and Julie a 7-year sentence. The Chrisleys' appeal was a long shot, but they maintained their innocence and consistently expressed faith that the truth would eventually come to light. Now, in a surprising twist, their attorney has released a statement that has given the Chrisleys and their supporters a renewed sense of optimism. The statement, issued through a press release, suggests that the legal team has uncovered new evidence that could potentially shift the course of the case. The attorney has not yet revealed the specifics of the new evidence, but hinted that it was substantial enough to warrant a reassessment of the charges. "We have always maintained that Todd and Julie are innocent," the attorney stated. "Throughout this process, we have carefully reviewed all available evidence and believe that new information has emerged that deserves consideration. This is a positive development, and we are hopeful that the legal system will right the wrongs that have been done." This revelation has sparked renewed interest in the case, with many wondering if the Chrisleys could be granted a new trial or if their convictions could be overturned. While it's still early days, and the legal process is often a slow and unpredictable one, the possibility of a breakthrough has given the couple and their supporters reason to hold on to hope. For Todd and Julie, who have spent the last several years under intense scrutiny and pressure, the idea that their legal situation could change is a beacon of light in an otherwise difficult time. Todd, known for his sharp wit and larger-than-life persona, has remained outspoken in his belief that the justice system will ultimately vindicate him. "This isn't the end," he said during a recent interview. "We've been through a lot, but we're still standing, and we're not giving up." Julie, meanwhile, has focused on staying positive and supporting her family. In a social media post, she expressed gratitude for the unwavering support of their children and fans. "I've always believed that family is everything," she wrote. "We're so blessed to have each other, and I know that no matter what happens, we will get through this together." In the midst of the legal battle, the Chrisleys have also been preparing for the future. Todd and Julie have been working on new business ventures and developing plans for their lives post-trial. Despite the challenges they faced, the couple has remained steadfast in their belief that brighter days are ahead. Todd recently shared his vision for the future in a candid conversation with his fans. "I know we're going through a tough time right now," he said, "but I'm a fighter, and I believe that there's always a way forward. The important thing is to stay focused, keep working hard, and never lose sight of what matters most: family, faith, and love." As their legal team prepares to present this new evidence in court, the Chrisleys are doing everything they can to remain positive and focused on the future. The idea of a fresh start, whether through a legal victory or the eventual completion of their sentences, is something that has driven their determination to move forward. For their children, the ongoing legal troubles have been a source of stress, but they have remained a pillar of support for their parents. Savannah Chrisley, the couple's eldest daughter, has used her platform to advocate for her family, speaking out against what she perceives as unfair treatment. In a heartfelt Instagram post, Savannah expressed her love for her parents and her belief that they would ultimately prevail. "I know my parents are innocent," she wrote. "They've been through so much, and I'm so proud of the strength and resilience they've shown. I'm confident that the truth will come out, and we'll be able to move on from this." The new evidence mentioned by the Chrisleys' attorney has also sparked curiosity among legal experts and fans alike. Some speculate that it could involve new documents, testimony from witnesses, or financial records that were previously unavailable. The case has already seen a significant amount of media attention, and the idea that new evidence could change the outcome has only intensified public interest. However, legal analysts have cautioned that even with new evidence, it's unlikely that the Chrisleys' convictions will be immediately overturned. The appeals process can be lengthy, and any new developments would need to be carefully considered by the courts. But for Todd and Julie, the fact that their legal team is actively pursuing new avenues gives them a sense of hope that justice may still be within reach. As the legal battle continues, Todd and Julie Chrisley's fans are rallying behind them, offering messages of support and encouragement. The couple, who became household names thanks to Chrisley Knows Best, have cultivated a loyal fan base over the years, and many are hopeful that the new development will lead to a positive outcome. "We've always believed in the Chrisleys," One fan commented on a social media post, "We'll continue to stand by them no matter what. They've been through so much, and they deserve to have their voices heard." In the coming weeks and months, the fate of Todd and Julie Chrisley will become clearer. But for now, the couple and their legal team are focused on pursuing every possible avenue for justice. With new evidence on the horizon, the Chrisleys are holding on to the hope that their story is far from over and that they may soon be able to put this chapter behind them. The Chrisley saga is far from over, but with the new hope sparked by their attorney's recent update, it's clear that Todd and Julie remain committed to fighting for their freedom and for the truth to prevail. Their story is one of resilience, determination, and unwavering faith, a testament to the power of never giving up, even when the odds seem insurmountable.